What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Lanigan, and today we are going to review linear equations. We're going to talk about slope. We're going to talk about the different equations, different formulas that we will use. You guys are going to review and do some calculations as well, and I'm very excited to be using Quizizz in order to make this happen. We can't be together in a classroom right now. Some of you are spread out all across who knows where, but we can play together like this. So let's jump in and get started right away on this linear equations unit review. Now, don't feel pressured. You can pause the video at any time. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation through the 2 points 1, -3, and 0, 3. Is it going to be y equals -3x minus 1, y equals x minus 1, y equals -x plus 1, y equals -2x minus 1? Pause if you need more time. I want to guess this one. Sorry, that was wrong. You have diverged from the correct answer. I have 0 points. Find the slope of the line that passes through the points 2, 4, and 6, 12. Is it 2, 1/2, -2, or -1/2? You decide. I'm going to choose a random answer each time. Maybe we'll be right, maybe we'll be wrong, but we'll see. No, I chose -2, but it was +2. Okay. Next question. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation 7x minus 4y equals -4. Is it going to be y equals 3/4 x plus 1, y equals -3/4 x plus 1, y equals -7/4 x plus 1, or y equals +7/4 x plus 1? Which one will it be? Should be y equals 7/4 x plus 1. Hope you got that one. Alright, if you were playing along, you'd be getting these sweet power-ups. Okay. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation through the point -1, 5 with a slope of -6. Remember, use your formula and substitute this in here. Take a minute. Pause the video. Write your steps out, because that's how you're going to be successful in your math class, on this review, and on your quiz. We're going to choose this one. Oh no, did not get that correct. I'm just going to pick a random answer each time so you can see the fun positives and negatives of getting it right and wrong. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, what does the b stand for? What is the b? Is it the y-intercept? Is it a point? Is it the x-intercept or the slope rate of change? Well, guys, you should definitely know this one. In y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept. These puns are terrible, so here are a few gems. Oh, it's so punny. An inequality using greater than or equal to or a less than or equal to has what kind of a line? Is it an invisible line, a dashed line, a solid line, or an extra long line? Which one will it be? That should be a solid line. Let's go. I know you got that one. I know you got that one. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation y minus 4 equals -5 times x minus 3, excuse me. Will it be y equals 19x minus 5, y equals -5x plus 19, y equals -x plus 19, or y equals 19x minus 1? Which one will it be? There we go. 50-50. I don't know who these other people are. Random people on the internet. What type of slope does the graph have? If we look here, we see this flat line through the points -3, 3 and 2, 3. What kind of slope would that be? Is it going to be undefined, 0, positive, or negative? Which one? Should not be positive. Should not be negative. Is it 0 or undefined? Which special case? It's 0. What is the correct equation in slope-intercept form of this graph? Well, we know that it's descending, so it's going to need to be negative. Not that one. Either this one or this one. Which one is it going to be? This one. Y equals -x plus 2. Hope you got that one. Which is the graph of y equals -x plus 2? -x plus 2. Y equals -x plus 2 right here. Which graph matches that one? Pause if you need more time. Is it A? Yeah, we got it right. Next question. Let's choose one of the ones we got wrong. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation through the 2 points -1, 3 and 0, 3. I encourage you to go back through the video and redo the ones that you got wrong. See what your mistakes are. Try to get them right the second time. So if we do it better this time, it should be... Nope, we didn't get it. Just play again. Alright, so what type of slope does the graph have? It's going down from left to right. So we should know that that has a negative slope. I wish I could be using these sweet power-ups on you guys, but that's okay. We're going to have to do the best we can do in our situation. An inequality using greater than or equal to will be shaded where? Is it going to be shaded below, above, everywhere, or on the line? Where is it going to be shaded? Should be above the line. Let's go. What type of slope does the graph have? We have a vertical line here going through the x-axis. Positive, undefined, 0, or negative. Should be undefined. Good job. I'm sure you got that one. If m is 3 and b is 6, what is the correct slope-intercept equation? The slope-intercept form of this line, m equals 3, b equals 6. Is it y equals 3x plus 6, y equals 3 minus 6, y equals 6x plus 3, or y equals 3x minus 6? Y equals 3x plus 6. I hope you're doing well on this, guys. I encourage you, keep going, do the best of your abilities, and ask questions in the comments. Select the correct graph for the inequality y equals y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 6. Less than or equal to negative 3x plus 6. Ooh, it's an ABCD question, so we need to make sure we're choosing the correct one. I'm gonna choose C, because that's the correct answer. What about the opposite way? An inequality using less than or equal to will be shaded where in relation to the line? Everywhere, below, above, or on the line. Less than or equal to. Power-ups. Eraser. What is the slope of this line from the graph? We have the 2 points, 3, 6, and 6, 3, negative 6, and 6, negative 8. You can use those 2 points. You can find your slope on the graph. Which one is it going to be? Down 2 over 3? Down 2 over 3. I was petrified you'd get that wrong. It really was. What is the correct equation in slope-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b. Take a look at the graph here. What information do we need from the graph? What can you remember? Which one is it gonna be? Is it this one? It is. Y equals 1 over 4x plus 1, I believe. Could have been minus 1. What is the y-intercept of the line graphed below? What is the y-intercept of this line, guys? What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept, remember, is where the line crosses the y-axis, so that would be 4. Written as a point, it would be 0, 4. What's the slope of the line from the graph? We have some interesting options here. Slope of the line from the graph, we have the point 0, 2, and 3, 7. What could the slope be? Let's pick a random one. It's definitely not 0 over 2. We can eliminate that. How much are we going up? Or are we going down? Let's do this one. Oh no! Yeah, it shouldn't be negative. That was a positive line. Let's redeem ourselves with that same slope question. So if we look at it, we know it's going up. So that slope needed to be positive. How much am I going up and how much am I going over? The correct answer should have been 5 over 3. Hopefully you got that right. Streak saver, let's go. Next question. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, what is the m? Is it a point? Is it the slope or rate of change? The x-intercept? The y-intercept? What is the m? We know the m in slope-intercept, anytime we see that letter m, that always relates to the slope. The slope, guys. Write the point-slope form of the equation through the point -1, -5 with a slope of 2. Point slope. All of these are already in point slope for you, which is nice. But if it wasn't, we could put it in point slope. Should be y plus 5 equals 2 times x plus 1. Those signs will change when we substitute them in there. Almost there. 7 more to go. What is the point slope form of a line? Which formula is that? Is it y equals mx plus b? Ax plus by equals c? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1? Or y equals ax plus by. Which one is the point-slope form of the line? This is the right one. Okay, here we go. An inequality using greater than or less than has what type of line? Is it extra long, solid, invisible, or dashed? Which type of line will these two symbols create for your inequality? That would be a dashed line. Dashed or dotted. What is the slope-intercept form of a line? Which formula will the slope-intercept form be? We should know this one. It's the most commonly used formula for linear equations. Take a minute, think about it, get it right. You guys are doing great. I want to give you some positive encouragement. I know you're trying your best. You're doing your best possible job. And for this question, it should be y equals mx plus b. Did you beat me? More power-ups, because we're getting these questions right. Hope you are as well. Select the correct graph for the inequality. Let's take a look at the graph. We want y is greater than 6x plus 1. Y is greater than 6x plus 1. A, B, C, or D? All right, we should have a correct answer of C. Greater than's above the line, and it should be in a dotted line. What type of slope does the graph have? Positive, 0, undefined, or negative. It's definitely going to be positive. Oh, I'm winning, guys, against random people on the internet. What is the y-intercept of the equation y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8? Is it negative 2/3, positive 2/3, 16/3, or 8? Which one is it going to be? The y-intercept. The y-intercept is always this number, this constant out by itself, so our correct answer should be 8. Almost done. What is the slope in the equation y equals 4x plus 3? Which one is the slope? 3, 4x, or 4x? Most common answer on this will be 4x, but that is wrong. The x is not included in the slope. It is just the number in front of the x. Last one. What is the standard form of a line? Which one is going to be the standard form? Hope I didn't trick you on this one. Standard form should be ax plus by equals c. And there you have it, guys. Let's take a look at our redemption question. Find the slope of the line that passes through the points 2, 4, and 6, 12. Let's go ahead and subtract the 12 and the 4 to get 8. Subtract the 6 and the 2 to get 4, and then divide, so hopefully we should have positive 2. Very good. And that's the end, guys. That is the end. I hope you enjoyed this linear equations review. All of these topics are super important. They should be pretty easy based on the lessons that you've learned on these topics. I hope this review helped you. And stay tuned to the channel for more cool videos, reviews just like this, as well as instructional videos and tutorials, etc. I'm very excited to help you out with your math. Have a good day, guys.